Paraguay is a special place because it's one of the last untouched pieces of land in the world. Our sustainability comes from living off the land since time immemorial.
There's a basic unfairness in our province that most of us, when we turn on the power or light switch in our home, we get electricity from clean power. People who live in remote communities, their electricity comes from a large diesel generator. Collectively, the remote communities in BC consume 20 million liters of diesel each year, and the core goal of the remote community energy strategy is to correct that.
My favorite quote has always been Ginwaduan Gudath Kwagidang, and in Haida that translates into everything is connected to everything else. So when you think about displacing diesel and turning on renewable energy, that's going to mean healthier air, healthier lands.
So we invited representatives from remote communities to be part of a working group to work together on renewable energy, to share ideas, and to help each other with project development. And this group has become kind of the heart of the remote community energy strategy.
I think this initiative is a really good demonstration of reconciliation in action.
Even though it's got diverse perspectives from all over BC, we operate as one voice.
This is us paddling forward together to ensure that we're working on the solutions together.
The Remote Community Energy Strategy has a significant regional impact. This program presents us with the single biggest opportunity to reduce diesel in remote communities.
Some of the positive steps that have happened in our community, Skidegate, is that we stopped all diesel consumption in homes by changing the residential heat source to heat pumps.
Solar North is a project that's really taking on diesel reduction on the north end of Haida Gwaii. This project is our first of many. 4,850 solar panels here. We're going to be reducing 1,750 tons of carbon per year just from the solar farm alone. Our goal has been 100% reduction of diesel Haida Gwaii wide by 2030, and I personally think it's achievable for sure.
If I think back to why I was attracted to work in the public service, it was basically the ability to do good in the world. And I can't think of a better way to do good than to support remote First Nations as they bring renewable energy to their communities.
The goals that we have set together have the opportunity to create a healthier future for generations to come.